Hello students and good morning. So now I am doing class for class 11. So today is the continuation class of the chapter Trigonometrical Ratios of Associated Angles. So in the last online class also we were doing the same chapter. So today we will do the same exercise 3, page number 125. This is from the section 5 mark section, right? So let's do this question number 4. So if tan 25 degree is equal to A, you have to prove that this left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is tan 155 degree minus tan 115 degree whole divided by 1 plus tan 155 degree into tan 115 degree is equal to 1 minus a square whole divided by 2a. You have to prove this LHS is equal to RHS from given, what is given here, tan 25 degree is equal to a. Okay. So now let's do this problem. So here given is tan 25 degree is equal to a. This is given, right? So let us write down left hand side. So LHS is equal to tan 155 degree, okay, then minus tan 115 degree divided by 1 plus tan 155 degree tan 115 degree. So now how will you do this problem? So now you know the value for tan 25 degree is equal to a. We know the value for tan 25 degree is equal to a, right? So you can express this 155 degree and 115 degree in terms of 25 degree by writing this 155 degree as 180 minus 25 degree and this 115 degree as 90 plus 25 degree. Okay, so which is equal to, this is tan, you can write it as 180 degree minus 25 degree. Okay, if you subtract, then 10 minus 5 is 5, this is your 7 minus 2 is 5, 1, right? Minus tan, this can be written as 90 degree plus 25 degree. Is that clear? So what is 90 plus 25? 5 plus 0 is 5, 9 plus 2 is 11, right? So whole divided by, in the denominator, what can you write? So 1, this is your 1, plus again tan of, what is 155? 180 minus 25, again this is tan 115 degree is 90 plus 25 degree. Is that clear? So which is equal to, now in the numerator, what is tan 180 minus 25 degree? This lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant tan is always negative, so it is minus. 180 is even multiple of 90, so tan remains same, that is minus tan 25 degree. Again there is minus sign is here. So what is tan 90 plus theta? So 90 plus theta lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant tan is again negative, minus. Since it is 90 into 1 odd multiple, tan changes to cot. So it is cot 25 degree. It is minus cot 25 degree, right? So 1 plus, what is tan 180 minus theta? That is minus tan theta, right? So it is minus tan 25 degree. Okay, and next, what is tan 90 plus theta? It is minus cot theta. It is minus cot theta. So I think you have understood it. So in the next step is equal to, now let us simplify it, minus tan 25 degree. This is minus tan 25 degree, minus into minus plus cot 25 degree. So it is plus cot 25 degree. This whole divided by 1 This is minus into minus plus tan 25 degree into cot 25 degree. Is that clear? So now you know the value of tan 25 degree, which is equal to A. So let us convert this cot into tan. So it is minus tan 25 degree plus this is your 1 upon tan 25 degree divided by 1 plus this is tan 25 degree into what is cot 25 degree? It is 1 upon tan 25 degree. Is that clear? So you can cancel it. This is one time. So which is equal to minus A, because tan 25 is A, plus this is 1 upon A whole divided by this is 1 plus 1. Is that understood? So which is equal to, what's the LCM in the numerator? It is A. A into minus A square plus 1 divided by this is 2 divided by 1. So which is equal to, now let us simplify it, 1 minus A square upon A into, when this 2 upon 1 which is in the denominator, if it goes up in the numerator, it becomes 1 upon 2. So which is equal to 1 minus A square divided by this is twice A. So it is proved, that is 1 minus A square whole divided by 2A. So it is proved. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 2, that is from 5 marks section. So question number 2 is solve. Solve means you have to get the values of theta, and theta lies within 0 degree and 360 degree. That means theta lies in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant as well as in the fourth quadrant. So let us solve this equation now. So let us cross multiply it. It is given cos square theta minus sin theta is equal to 1/4. You have to get the value for theta. Now let us cross multiply it. It is 4 cos square theta minus 4 sin square theta is equal to 1. Okay. So next, what will you do? So let us put the formula for cos square theta in terms of sine. Let us convert this cos square theta into sine so that we can easily simplify the expression. So or 4 within bracket 1 minus sin square theta minus 4 sin theta is equal to 1. So now this is 4 minus 4 sin square theta minus 4 sin theta. Let us take this one to the left hand side. So it is minus 1, which is equal to 0. Okay. Now let us simplify it further, or let us write this square term first. Minus 4 sin square theta minus 4, this is sin theta, plus 4 minus 1 plus 3, which is equal to 0. Okay. So let us take minus common now, or minus within bracket 4 sin square theta minus into minus plus 4 sin theta minus into plus minus 3 bracket closed, which is equal to 0. Now since there is 0 on the right hand side, you don't have to write this minus sign. Okay, since there is 0 on the right hand side, you don't have to write minus sign. Or what do we get? It is 4 sin square theta plus 4 sin theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Now let us factorize it. We can factorize this left hand side expression by middle term breaking. So how can you break this middle term? What is the coefficient of sin theta here? 4. and this is 4 into minus 3 minus 12. So you have to break this coefficient of sine theta 4 in such a way that if you multiply those two numbers, you should get 12. And since there is minus sign here, if you subtract that two numbers, you should get 4. What are those two numbers? If you multiply them, you should get 12. And after subtracting, you should get 4. That is 6 2s are 12, isn't it? 6 2s are 12 and 6 minus 2 is 4, right? So this 4 can be written as 6 minus 2, or this is 4 sine square theta plus 6 minus 2, that is your 4, and 6 2s are 12, so it is sine theta minus 3. So it is sine theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Now this expression is factorized in order to get the value for sine theta. Okay, so now this is 4 sine square theta, let us multiply it, plus 6 sine theta minus 2 sine theta minus 3 is equal to 0. So from the first two terms, what is common? It is 2 sine theta common. Within bracket, what do we get? It is 2 sine theta plus 3. Then minus 1 is taken common here. So within bracket, it is 2 sine theta plus 3 is equal to 0. Or now this is 2 sine theta plus 3 into 2 sine theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Because in this case, 2 sine theta plus 3 is common. It is taken outside. 2 sine theta plus theta, 2 sine theta plus 3. 2 sine theta plus 3 is common out here. It is taken outside. So within bracket, we write 2 sine theta minus 1, which is equal to 0. So here you can write either 2 sine theta plus 3 is equal to 0, right? Or you can write 2 sine theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is the value for sine theta from here? So you know that this is sine theta is equal to minus 3 by 2. And here, what is the value for sine theta? So sine theta is equal to 1 upon 2. But can you say that sine theta has the value minus 3 by 2? You know that sine theta always lies within minus 1 to plus 1. The value of sine theta always lies within minus 1 to plus 1. That is, the value of sine theta may be greater than minus 1 but less than 1. But this sine theta is equal to minus 3 by 2. Sine theta is equal to minus 3 by 2 means this sine theta, the value of sine theta is less than minus 1. So since here the value for sine theta is less than minus 1, so this value is invalid. But this minus 3 by 2 does not lie within minus 1 to 1. But sine theta is not equal to minus 3 by 2 because the value of sine theta lies within minus 1 to plus 1 only. So the value for sine theta is equal to minus 3 by 2 is invalid. So what is the reason behind it? Since minus 1 less than or equal to sine theta less than or equal to 1. Kinabhane sine theta ko value chai it should lie within minus 1 to plus 1 only. So sine theta may not be equal to minus 3 by 2. But it's kun chai value correct ho? Sine theta is equal to half. So here we have sine theta is equal to 1 upon 2. Now let us find out, let us solve the value for theta. Here sine theta is positive. You know that in which quadrant sine theta is positive? Sine theta is positive in the first quadrant and in the second quadrant only. So you have to find out the angle in the first quadrant and in the second quadrant only. You know how to find it, isn't it? But sine of which angle is half? Sine 30 degree. But sine 30 degree is equal to half. Therefore, sine theta is equal to, this is sine 30 degree. So what is the value for theta now? Theta is equal to 30 degree. So we have got one of the answers, that is one of the values of theta, that is 30 degree. Now next, Again, you have to get the value for theta. Again, you have to get the value for theta in the second quadrant, because in the second quadrant, sine theta is positive. So again, sine theta is equal to 1 upon 2. Now you have to find out the angle in the second quadrant. How can you get the angle in the second quadrant? I already told you that whenever you find out the angle in the second quadrant or in the third quadrant or in the fourth quadrant, do it from the even multiple of 90. Do it from the even multiple of 90. If you do it from the even multiple of 90, trigonometrical ratio will not change and the value will also not change. Okay? So sine theta is positive in the second quadrant also. Therefore, sine of, how can you get the angle in the second quadrant? Will you write 90 plus or 180 minus? I already told you that always you have to write it from the even multiple of 90. If you write 90 plus, it will be 90 in one odd multiple. So trigonometrical ratio will change and the value will also change, and you cannot get the value for theta. Let us do it from 180 minus, even multiple of 90. Okay, so sine 180 degree minus, now sine of which angle is half? 30 degree. Is that clear? So on the right hand side you have to write down the formula. What is sine 180 minus theta? 180 minus theta lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine is always positive, so it is sine theta. Even multiple of 90. 180 is even multiple of 90, that is 90 into 2, so sine remains same, so it is sine 30 degree. Or this is sine 150 degree is equal to sine 30 degrees half. Okay, since right hand sides are equal, this left hand sides must be equal. So therefore this is sine theta is equal to sine 150 degree. So theta is equal to 150 degree. So what are the answers here? What are the values of theta in this case? So therefore theta is equal to 30 degree comma, and the next one is 150 degree. So these are the two answers. So I think you have understood it, so you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is number 2. Here also you have to solve it. That means you have to get the value for theta, and theta lies within 0 degree and 360 degree. The question is cos theta plus root over 3 sin theta is equal to 2. So now let us convert this trigonometric function into single trigonometric function. Either you keep cos theta as it is, convert this sin theta into cos. Okay, either you have to convert this cos theta into sin theta, keep this sin theta as it is. Okay, so now let us take one of the terms to the right hand side. So let us take this cos theta to the right hand side. Okay, so or this is root over 3 sin theta is equal to 2 minus cos theta. So cos theta is taken to the right hand side. So let us square both the sides. If you square both the sides, you can easily change this sin square theta into cos theta. So let us write here squaring both the sides. Squaring both the sides. So what do we get? It is root over 3 sin theta whole square is equal to 2 minus cos theta whole square, right? So what is it? What is root 3 whole square? Root 3 into root 3, that is root over 9, which is 3. So here you can write sin square theta is equal to, what is a minus b whole square? You know that a square plus b square minus twice ab. What is a whole square? 2 whole square is 4, plus what is b whole square? It is cos square theta minus twice ab. What is twice into ab? 2 into 2, 4. Then it is cos theta, right? So, or 3 into here we can write sin square theta formula is 1 minus cos square theta, which is equal to 4 plus cos square theta minus 4 cos theta. Okay, so you can multiply it. 3 ones are 3 minus 3 cos square theta. Let us take all these terms to the left hand side. So it is minus 4. This is minus cos square theta, and this is plus 4 cos theta. Is that clear? Which is equal to 0. That is, all the terms are taken to the left hand side. Okay. So next, let us simplify it. So minus 3 cos square theta minus cos square theta, same sign, you have to add them. Minus 4 cos square theta, and next plus 4 cos theta, it is 4 cos theta, then minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, again you take minus common, so minus common within bracket 4 cos square theta minus 4 cos theta plus 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, now since there is 0 on the right hand side, you don't have to write minus sign there. So, or what do we get? It is 4 cos square theta minus 4 cos theta plus 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, now you can easily factorize it, or you can convert it into whole square form. A square minus twice AB plus B whole square. So let us write only the brackets. A square minus twice AB plus B whole square. Okay, let us write down only the brackets. Since there is 4 cos square theta, whole square is already there. What will be the expression within whole square? It is 2 cos theta. Since this is 1, this is also 1. 1 in terms of whole square is 1 whole square. This is A, that is 2 cos theta, and this is B, it is 1. So if you multiply all these three terms in the middle, you can you have minus 4 cos theta. We are getting, if you multiply minus 2 into 2 cos theta into 1, you are getting minus 4 cos theta. That is correct. So which is equal to, this is 0. So this is expressed in terms of A square minus twice AB plus B whole square. So what is the formula in this case? It is 2 cos theta minus 1 whole square, which is equal to 0. Now you can easily get the value for only 2 cos theta minus 1 is root over 0 is 0. So what is the value for cos theta now? So cos theta is equal to half. So 2 cos theta is equal to 1 and cos theta is equal to half. So now you have to get the value for theta here. You have to solve for theta, get the value for theta. And theta lies within 0 degree and 360 degree. That means theta may lie in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant. So here cos theta is positive. In which quadrant cos theta is positive? Cos theta is positive in the first quadrant and in the fourth quadrant. So you have to find out the angle in the first quadrant as well as in the fourth quadrant. So but cos of which angle is half? But cos 60 degree is equal to half. So you can write here cos theta is equal to cos 60 degree. Therefore, what is the value for theta here? It is 60 degree. So we have got one of the values of theta. Now again you have to get the angle in which quadrant? In the fourth quadrant. Again cos theta is equal to half. It is positive, and cos theta is positive in the fourth quadrant. So you have to find out the angle in the fourth quadrant. So how can you find out the angle in the fourth quadrant? Therefore cos, so it may be 270 plus or 360 minus, but if you do 270 plus theta, trigonometrical ratio will change and the value will change, and theta, you cannot get the value for theta. So let us write it from even multiple of 90, that is 360 degree. So it is 360 degree minus cos of which angle is half? 60 degree, which is equal to, Now on the right hand side, you have to write down the formula. What is cos 360 minus theta? It is cos theta, that is cos 60 degree. So, or this is cos 300 is equal to cos 60 is half. Since right hand sides are equal, left hand sides must be equal. So cos theta is equal to, this is cos 300 degree. So what is the value for theta now? So theta is equal to 300 degree. So we have got the answer as 60 degree and 300 degree. Therefore theta is equal to 60 degree or it is 300 degree. So these are the answers. So theta is equal to 60 degree and 300 degree. So I think you have understood it. So we can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is 2 number 3. So question number 2, number 3 is you have to solve this equation tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2 sec theta. So let us find out the values of theta that lies within 0 degree and 360 degree. The question is tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2 sec theta. So let us simplify it first. So, or what is tan theta? It is sin theta by cos theta. What is cot theta? You know that it is cos theta by sin theta. We are writing the formula only. Is equal to, what is sec theta? 1 upon cos theta. So it is 2 upon cos theta. Okay. So what's the LCM out here now? LCM, it is cos theta sin theta. So what is there in the numerator? This LCM is divided by cos theta. So cos theta gets cancelled. You will have sin theta. So sin theta into sin theta will be sin square theta. Sin square theta plus, now again this LCM is divided by sin theta. Sin theta gets cancelled. We will have cos theta. So cos theta into cos theta will be cos square theta, which is equal to 2 upon cos theta. Is that clear? Next, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 divided by, this is cos theta into sin theta is equal to 2 upon cos theta. So cos theta is in the denominator, so this cos theta is not equal to 0. So this cos theta will be cancelled. Okay. So, or now we can do cross multiplication. So 2 sin theta is equal to 1 or sin theta is equal to half. So we got sin theta is equal to half. Now you can easily solve for theta. So here sin theta is positive. In which quadrant sin theta is positive? First quadrant and in the second quadrant. So you have to find out the angle in the first quadrant as well as in the second quadrant. So now but sine of which angle in the first quadrant is half? It is sine 30 degree. It is sine 30 degree is equal to half. Since right hand sides are equal, left hand sides must be equal. So therefore it is sine theta is equal to sine 30 degree. So theta is equal to 30 degree. Is that clear now? So next, again you have to find out the angle in the second quadrant also. So again sine theta is equal to half. Now we have to find out the angle in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, how can you find out the angle? 180 minus some angle should be there. Okay, you can't write 90 plus theta. So sine 180 degree minus now sine of which angle is half? It is 30 degree. So on the right hand side you have to write down the formula. What is sine 180 minus theta? You know that this is sine theta, that is sine 30 degree. Or now it is sine 150 degree, isn't it? which is equal to sine 30 is half. So right hand sides are equal, left hand sides must be equal. Therefore, this is sine theta is equal to sine 150 degree. That means theta is equal to 150 degree. So what are the required answers here? What are the values of theta? So you can write here, so theta is equal to 30 degree, comma, it is 150 degree. So these are the answers. Understood? So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do this question number 4 of number 2. You have to solve it again. But in this case, the condition given here is 0 degree less than theta less than 180 degree. That means theta lies within 0 degree and 180 degree only. That is in the first quadrant and in the second quadrant only. Here the values of theta lies within 0 degree and 180 degree. That means theta lies in the first quadrant as well as in the second quadrant only. Okay? So let us solve it now. Let us factorize it. We can factorize it by middle term breaking, isn't it? So what is the coefficient of tan to the power 4 theta? It is 1 and this is 3. 3 ones are 3. And there is 4. Since this is plus sign here, if you add those two numbers, you should get 4. If you multiply the two numbers, you should get 3. And after adding those two numbers, you should get 4. That is 3 ones are 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So in this way we can break this number 4. So let us write here, or let us factorize it. Tan to the power 4 theta minus within bracket 3 plus 1 tan square theta plus 3 is equal to 0. So I already told you that for this question, this is the given condition, not this one. Okay, this is the given condition. Okay, so let us simplify it. Or this is tan to the power 4 theta minus 3 tan square theta minus into plus minus tan square theta plus 3 is equal to 0. So let us take common from the first two terms. What is common here? It is tan square theta within bracket. It is tan square theta minus 3. Next, minus 1 is common. So it is tan square theta minus 3. So minus into plus minus 3. Okay. So again, what is common out here? Or this is tan square theta minus 3 common. This is common here. Now within bracket you have to write down the remaining terms. That is tan square theta minus 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, so you can write here either tan square theta minus 3 is equal to 0 or tan square theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Either first factor is equal to 0 or second factor is equal to 0. Okay, so let us write here now, if tan square theta minus 3 is equal to 0, so what is tan square theta is equal to 3? So what are the values of tan theta? It is plus minus root 3. It is plus minus root 3, right? Next, therefore, here tan square theta is equal to 1. Minus 1 is taken to the right hand side. So what are the values of tan theta here now? Tan theta is equal to plus minus 1. So I think you have understood it. So let us take first tan theta is equal to only root 3. Okay. So if you have tan theta is equal to plus root 3. If you take tan theta is equal to only root 3. So here tan theta is positive. In which quadrant tan theta is positive? In the first and in the third quadrant. But you cannot get the angle in the third quadrant because theta lies within 0 degree and 180 degree only. That means in this case you find out the angle in the first quadrant only. So but tan of which angle is root 3? Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Therefore, tan theta is equal to tan 60 degree. So what is the value for theta? It is 60 degree. So we have got one of the answers, right? Again, let us take negative sign. Let us take tan theta is equal to minus root 3. So tan theta is equal to minus root 3. So let us get the value for theta. If tan theta is equal to minus root 3, what is the value for theta? Here also tan theta is negative. In which quadrant tan theta is negative? In the second quadrant as well as in the fourth quadrant. But you cannot get the angle in the fourth quadrant because in this case, in the question, condition is given theta lies within 0 degree and 180 degree only. That means theta lies in the second quadrant only. Okay. So let us find out the angle in the second quadrant here. Tan for second quadrant you have to write 180 degree minus. So tan of which angle is root 3? 60 degree. So it is 60 degree which is equal to, now on the right hand side write down the formula. What is tan 180 minus theta? Minus tan 60 degree, or this is tan 120 degree. 180 minus 60 is 120 degree, which is equal to minus root 3. So now you can equate this left hand side. Right hand sides are equal, so left hand sides must be equal. That is tan theta is equal to tan 120 degree. That means what is the value for theta? Theta is equal to 120 degree. So I think you have understood it. Again, tan theta is equal to plus minus 1 is there. Let us get the value for theta here also. Let us take tan theta is equal to plus 1. So again tan theta is equal to plus 1. So plus sign usually we don't write it. Okay. So here also tan theta is positive. So tan theta is positive in the first quadrant and in the third quadrant. But you cannot get the angle in the third quadrant because the condition is given in the question, that is theta lies within 0 degree and 180 degree. That means theta lies in the first quadrant and in the second quadrant. But in this case you can find out the angle in the first quadrant only. But tan of which angle is 1? But tan 45 degree is equal to 1. If right hand sides are equal, left hand sides must be equal. So tan theta is equal to tan 45. So what is theta is equal to? It is 45 degree. Understood now? So next, let us take tan theta is equal to minus 1. Again, tan theta is equal to minus 1. So how can you get the value for theta here? If tan theta is negative, so tan theta here, if tan theta is negative, theta lies in the second quadrant as well as in the fourth quadrant. But you cannot get the angle in the fourth quadrant because the condition is given here, theta lies within 0 degree and 180 degree. So you can find out the angle in the second quadrant only. So how can you get the angle in the second quadrant? Therefore tan 180 minus, tan of which angle is 1? It is 45 degree. So on the right hand side you have to write down the formula. What is tan 180 minus theta? It is minus tan theta, minus tan 45 degree. Or this is tan, what is 180 minus 45? 10 minus 5 is 5. That is 7 minus 4 is 3 and 1. Tan 135 degree, which is equal to, this is your minus 1. If right hand sides are equal, left hand sides must be equal. That is tan theta is equal to tan 135 degree. That is, what is the value for theta? So theta is equal to 135 degree. So we have got all the answers that theta lies within 0 degree and 180 degree. So let us write down the answers here now. So theta is equal to 60 degree first, then comes 120 degree, then comes 45 degree, then comes 135 degree. So these are the answers. So this question is also very, very important. You can mark it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 5 of number 2. Here also you have to solve it, get the value for theta. Now theta lies within 0 degree and 360 degree. So the question is, you have to solve this equation. 4 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. Let us solve it. So let us take all the terms to the left hand side, okay? 4 sin theta cos theta minus 1 and plus 2 sin theta minus 2 cos theta, which is equal to 0 on the right hand side. So now you can take either first term and third term or first term and fourth term, so that you can take common out there. So let us take this first term and third term, and then fourth term and the second term, okay? Or this is 4 sin theta cos theta, then plus 2 sin theta, then minus 2 cos theta minus 1, which is equal to 0, okay? So what is common from the first two terms? It is 2 sin theta. So within bracket, what do we get? 2 sin theta is taken common, so it is cos theta, and this is plus 1. Here minus is common, within bracket this is 2 cos theta plus 1, which is equal to 0, okay? Now again, what is common here? What is common here? 2 cos theta plus 1. Here minus 1 is taken common here. So within bracket we have 2 cos theta plus 1, okay? So or it is, what is common now again? This is 2 cos theta plus 1 into this 2 cos theta plus 1 is common here. It is taken outside. So remaining terms are here 2 sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Is that clear? So you can write here either or. Therefore, either 2 cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0 or 2 sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So from this equation, what is the value for cos theta? Here cos theta is equal to minus half, you know that. Plus 1 is taken to the right hand side, minus 1. And this 2 goes to the denominator, so it is minus half. Here what is the value for sin theta? Here sin theta is equal to 1 upon 2. So now from these two values of cos theta and sin theta, you can easily get the value for theta. So now let us take cos theta is equal to minus half. In which quadrant cos theta is negative? In the second quadrant and in the third quadrant. So you have to find out the value for theta in the second quadrant and in the third quadrant. So let us find it. Or now we have to find out cos theta negative, theta in the second quadrant and in the third quadrant. So how can you get the angle in the second quadrant? It is 180 degree. 180 degree minus cos ko kuncha angle half ho? Cos of which angle is half? Cos of 60 degree is half, which is equal to, on the right hand side, write down the formula. What is cos 180 minus theta? Minus cos 60 degree. Or this is cos 120 degree is equal to minus half, right? Is that clear? Cos 60 is half. So now since right hand sides are equal, left hand sides must be equal. That is cos theta is equal to cos 120 degree. That is theta is equal to 120 degree. We have got one of the answers. Again cos theta is negative in the third quadrant. Now find out the value for theta in the third quadrant now. Again cos theta is minus half. So now we have to find out the angle in the third quadrant. How can you write down the angle in the third quadrant? 180 plus theta. But you can't write 270 minus. 270 is odd multiple, okay? So always write it from the even multiple 90. So it is 180 plus 60, which is equal to, on the right hand side, it is minus cos 60 degree. Or now this is cos 240 degree is equal to minus cos 60 is half. Since right hand sides are equal, left hand sides must be equal. So it is cos theta is equal to cos 240 degree. So what is the value for theta now? So theta is equal to 240 degree. So I think you have understood it. Now again, sin theta is equal to half. So we have done it for cos theta is equal to minus half. Now sin theta is equal to half. So now sin theta is equal to half. So it is positive. So sin theta is positive in the first quadrant and in the second quadrant. So you have to find out the value for theta in the first quadrant and in the second quadrant only. Okay? But sine of which angle in the first quadrant is half? Sine 30 degree, isn't it? But sine 30 degree is equal to half. So you can equate sine theta is equal to sine 30 degree. So theta is equal to 30 degree. Is that clear? Next, again sine theta is equal to half. Now we have to find out the value of theta which lies in the second quadrant. So therefore sine of, how can you write down the angle in the second quadrant now? 180 degree. 180 degree minus sine of which angle is half? It is 30 degree, which is equal to, on the right hand side, write down the formula. What is sine 180 minus theta? It is sine theta. So it is sine 30 degree. Or now this is sine, what is 180 minus 30? 180 minus 30 is 150, which is sine 30 is half. Since right hand sides are equal, left hand sides must be equal. That is sine theta is equal to sine 150 degree. That is theta is equal to 150 degree. So let us write down the answers now. So therefore the answers are theta is equal to, first you write 120 degree, then comes theta is equal to what? 240 degree, then comes 30 degree, then comes 150 degree. 150 degree. So these are the answers. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. So this much is for today. We revise all the problems at home. So in the next online class, we will do more problems on this trigonometrical ratios of associated angles. So this much is for today.